At Rapidefficient, precision isn't just a standard, it's our commitment. With cutting-edge CNC machining capabilities, we transform complex designs into flawless reality. Rapidefficient, speed, and efficiency are embedded in our manufacturing DNA. Rapid, we understand that time is of the essence, with delivery times as fast as 3 days. Efficient, we're committed not only to speed, but also to creating value for our partners. Leveraging advanced technology and a team of experienced engineers, we provide high-precision components to industries that demand excellence, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics. Every component we produce undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure consistency, durability, and reliable performance. As a trusted B2B partner, we go beyond manufacturing, delivering solutions, speed, and value. Driven by innovation, we are shaping the future of precision engineering. At Rapidefficient, we don't just meet industry standards, we set them. From concept to production, we are with you every step of the way, ensuring that your project moves seamlessly from idea to finished product. Our commitment extends beyond the factory floor. It's about forging lasting partnerships and driving mutual success. With our focus on sustainability and continuous improvement, we are not only preparing for the future, but actively shaping it. As we look ahead, we remain dedicated to providing you with the highest quality, fastest delivery, and unmatched value. Rapidefficient, precision, speed, value.